People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.